And why am I smiling, Nick? Huh?
Beautiful bells.
Uh-huh, what else?
Because you're at the Floridian Cafe, limoncello coffee, and scones.
And I love scones.
Delicioso. And I like the Rolling Stones. Our scones gonna roll right off the table. Right before the start of the music of the band.